In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy comments on YouTube on the mobile app. This is the best way in my opinion to do it, so let me show you how to do it. First, you need to find a video and a comment you want to copy. For me, I'm going to click on my video and we will copy a comment from that. So here are the comments of my video. What I'm going to do is we're going to scroll down and we'll just copy this one here by Christopher Dillman. Now, what we're going to do, because we can't actually hold down and physically copy the comment, the best way that you can do it, in my opinion, is to screenshot the comment. So screenshot the comment, and if you're on iPhone, click on the screenshot and just crop out everything but the actual comment itself. Then click done and save that to photos. Now once you've done that, all we need to do is open up a web browser. So I've got Chrome, and then in Google Chrome or any web browser, type image to text. So once you've done that, you'll then see all of these image to text converters. Click on one of them, click browse, click photo library, and then upload the comment that you've screenshotted. Once you've done that, you can then click convert, and it's going to convert all of the text in that screenshot from an image to text. So here it is. You're going to then have to highlight the actual bit of the comment you want. Maybe you don't want their username in there. So there we go, we'll highlight all of this. We can then click copy, and there we go. We have now successfully copied a comment on YouTube mobile, and that's how you do it.